It all began with me sitting in the hotel room, feeling a bit bored and wondering what to do. So I started to search online and I discovered something fascinating. 4,175 steps, the world's longest stone staircase. Okay, let's click and see what's in there. 880 meters above the fjord. Wait a sec, is that... It's right there, on the mountain across the river. I think I know how to spend my time usefully. A path with 4,175 hand-built stone steps, rising through the mist and forest leading to the sky. It's not just a staircase, it's a journey through the Norway's wealth and beauty and your own endurance. And today, I'm going there. Of course, for such a trip I need a company. My colleague happily agreed to go with me. Meet Yuri, a very wonderful guy. Now we are heading into the heart of the Mosjøen. Well, I hope I pronounced the name of the town correctly. If not, I deeply apologize. It's a small but charming town in northern Norway. Surrounded by towering mountains and deep fjords, the landscape feels almost cinematic. Honestly, it reminds me of a scene from a movie, like the kind of place where a Vietnam War veteran, say John Rambo, might be hiding in the hills, watching the town below, waiting for the right moment to come down. But really, Mosjøen doesn't need a John Rambo. It's too peaceful and too lovely for that. Let it stay the way it is. Let's see what the town has to offer for us. And right in the center of the town we found something unexpected, an old Shell gas station. It's no longer in use, but it feels like it's been left there on a purpose, like a quiet tribute to the past. We wandered around for a bit. It felt like a memory frozen in a time, something the town chose to keep just to remember how things once were. The town center itself isn't very big, but it's really charming and peaceful. You can tell the town is growing. There are some construction sites there and there are signs of progress quietly happening. But the center isn't really our main goal. No, what we are after lies just ahead. The weather was cloudy, with a light drizzle falling now and then, but it didn't bother us. In fact, it added something to the mood. That soft nose rain, the low-hanging clouds over the mountains. Oh, it just made everything feel even more alive. Yep, we finally made it to the base of the mountain, and yep, there it is. Helgelandstrappa, the longest stone staircase in the world. Because apparently walking on the flat ground just isn't challenging enough. There are other people here too, some already climbing, someone coming back, and us. Well, we are trying to look brave. My legs are already nervous, and we haven't even taken my first steps. But hey, we came all this way, no turning back now. Let's see what this mountain's got. As we make our way up the mountain, there's a little adventure waiting for a thrill seekers. A zipline that lets you glide from one side of gorge to other, flying over the water below. It sounds exciting, but we've done that kind of thing before, so our real challenge today is conquering the mountain itself. As we made our way up, the mountain decided to offer us a little treat in the form of wild berries. Yuri eagerly gave them a try, but I decided to play it safe and I passed this time on the wild berries. Well, as you all can see, Yuri seems to have survived this kind of experience. A little higher up, we stumbled upon a cozy resting spot. There were stone benches perfectly placed for a break, and around them all sorts of stone decorations that you can see in the frame. It was a perfect spot to catch our breath and enjoy the view. After we rested a bit, we continued our climb, and just a little higher up, we spotted something really intriguing. It looked like a mini troll stone. A rock that jutted out, and we were all eager to climb up to it, check it out, and even stand on it. From this rock, or rather the mini troll stone, we were treated to absolutely breathtaking views, and we decided to take a few minutes to rest, catch our breath, and of course drink some water, because the climbing had really taken a toll on our energy levels and we needed to rehydrate. So we took this moment to enjoy the view and refresh ourselves, of course. As we continued our ascent, we came across another large viewing platform, which you can see in the frame. We took a short break here as well, had some water, chatted a bit, enjoyed the beautiful view, and then continued on our way. Next we found a small stream flowing over the rocks and continuing down the slope. We decided to take advantage of it and cool off a bit, since it was quite warm on the climb. We splashed some water on our faces and it was probably melted snow from the mountains. Salt? We can't be certain. Wow, it was very refreshing, isn't it, Yuri? We made another stop at a truly breathtaking spot in the mountains, quite high up, where the views were absolutely magical. We decided to have a little snack. We had some gummy candies, and I also washed down a delicious sweet apple and really enjoyed it. Here is a little backstory. Helgelandstrappa wasn't always here. It was built by skilled Sherpas from Nepal, the real mountain pros. The construction started in 2017 when a local group decided the town needed something special. They raised money through donations, and by the end of the first summer they had collected over 3 million Norwegian kroner. Not bad for the building stairs, isn't it? In 2019 the Queen of Norway even came to officially open part of it, so yeah, these stairs are kind of a big deal. The steps are wide enough for 3 people to walk next to each other, which is great, unless 2 of them are super fit and you're just trying to survive. And as you already know, there are rest stops along the way, perfect for catching your breath and pretending you're just admiring the view. As we kept climbing, we suddenly saw a snow, in the middle of the summer. At the first we thought no way it can't be snow, but yep, real honest Norway snow, just chilling there like it forgot it's July. It was slowly melting into little streams like the mountain was sweating just as much as we were. We stopped, splashed some on our faces, icy cold of course. And for a second I felt like we discovered the last leftover piece of winter. Or maybe the mountain just has a broken calendar. Either way, it was refreshing and surprisingly funny. We did it. We made it to the top of Helgelandstrappa. Tired? Absolutely. Like screaming? Oh yes. But honestly, none of that matters. Because standing up there surrounded by these views, the sky, the silence, the mountains stretching out in every direction, it's just a pure happiness. We sat down, had a bite to eat, and just soaked it all in. It's hard to explain, but in that moment I felt like everything slowed down. Like the mountain gave us a quiet little well done. We laughed it, we rested, we felt alive. Sore legs, sweaty clothes, who cares? We wouldn't trade this feeling for anything. And seriously, if you ever find yourself in this part of Norway and you don't hike up this mountain, it's like going to Paris and skipping the Eiffel Tower. You just don't do that. This place is a must. Go feel it yourself. And the adventure didn't end there. After conquering the mountain, we topped our day with some amazing Norwegian fishing on the fjord. And let me tell you, we caught a ton of fish. If you want to join us for more adventures and share all the excitement, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We've got so much more to come, and we can't wait to share it all with you.